This is a video on how to use the heat map. The heat map is something that we as server moderators have turned on for everyone. Reason I mention that is if you go to play the CE on someone else's server or on a public server, chances are it won't be available to you. But it is when you are playing on our server. Alright, so why do you even need the heat map? Let's say that you've been out adventuring with your companion and you got in a little over your head and you died. You show up back wherever your bedroll is or wherever your bed is, and your companion, you don't have your companion because your companion stayed out there where you died. You need to get back to your companion so you can have your companion follow you again, and you haven't stranded your companion out in the world somewhere. So how do you locate exactly where your companion is on the map so you can get right back to where they are? One way is to use a function called the heat map. The heat map, well, first of all, the heat map is accessed by it's a slash command. So you hit enter to open up down here to open up the chat menu, and you literally type in slash heat map, press enter, and this pops up. So this shows the heat map for the Black Dagger, which is our clan. If you don't belong to the clan, you're not going to be able to see the other clans' buildings, placeables, thralls, pets, or pippy tools. You'll see whatever clan you're in. But that's, since we're all in the same clan, for the sake of this video, it's all the same thing. So by default, when you open this up, all of these boxes right here are checked. You grab the map and scroll it down, and you will see right here is what we call Dagger Island, and there's a bunch of stuff, bunch of colors here because this is where everybody lives. But I was out adventuring and I lost my companion somewhere north of the dregs, which means this is the dregs, and here are a couple bedrolls that I think actually one of these is mine, and this is about where I was, and sure enough there is a dot right there, but I want to isolate that. So I'm going to come over here and uncheck buildings and placeables and pets and pippy tools, only leaving thralls, and sure enough there it is. I can scroll my mouse wheel and scroll in, but that's as close as I can get. But now I know that there is a companion right there. So now I know where I have to head to go retrieve my companion.